Hello, and this is how to do a whip in Project Cars tutorial, and I'll be showing you an example of what I've done earlier. So I'll show you this. The right tips for this. Okay, I'm going to minimize that. Go into Project Cars. To I'll do an example of steering, what you have to do in this game. You want Project Cars 2, because the car that I'm driving to do these whips are only on Project Cars 2. It's like a Formula 1 car. It's 1962, and that is a really good whip for a 1960s car. Honestly. Right, so it's called the Watson Roadster. Sorry, it's 1963. 180 miles per hour, top speed 120. So I'm gonna put no opponents first. Swing mode. We've got the camera right. It is a bit hard because it's on my armrest and I'm trying to do. Retry. Okay, so that was how you done a whip there. If you can see my steering wheel. Okay, so now I'll do the tutorial of this. So let's go into this. If I do a replay on that, onto your own YouTube channel or whatever. Okay, so I'll do it again. So do not brake in air at all. Replay. Okay. What you want to do? When you're just about, then this is going up, and you're about here, turn right about this much, and then one more when you're turning left, landing, because you just want to go so what you want very like top, specifically this one, and basically that's it. I'll keep doing some ones that fast go into it. Hope you enjoy. I don't think the drivers enjoyed it much. Hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. And that's it. And stay safe and well. That's a very important thing. And goodbye. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope it does give you good tips when you're doing some online. When you jump over someone and do a whip on top of them. Hope you like this. Please subscribe, and that's it.